Philips Nightbalance is a wearable device that's easy to use and effective for treating positional obstructive sleep apnea, which means you experience breathing disturbances when sleeping on your back. It works by providing a gentle vibration to encourage you to sleep on your side. In a lot of ways, it's unlike any other sleep therapy device. These videos can help you get the most out of every night of mask-free, comfortable sleep. Let's look at how best to care for your Nightbalance system. It's designed to be easy to use and easy to take care of. Thanks to its docking station, you don't need to worry about replacing batteries, and there are no other parts to replace either. The docking station and sensor device may require some occasional cleaning. Make sure the sensor device is off and unplug the power adapter from the docking station. Clean them both with a damp cloth and mild soap and water. Don't use bleach or other aggressive cleaning solutions. The chest strap can simply be washed in a washing machine. Use a mild detergent that does not contain bleach or fabric softener. After washing, let the strap air dry and make sure it is completely dry before putting the sensor device into the chest strap pocket. The chest strap should not go in the dryer and it should not be ironed. Nightbalance is the perfect size for travel and you can take it with you wherever you go. When you pack, make sure you always use the travel case to store and transport your Nightbalance system. Now that you've learned how to clean your Nightbalance components, make sure you watch all 4 videos to truly familiarize yourself with your Nightbalance system.